Hello everyone, this is Rahul from the Win Central and I welcome you all to a very interesting video. So today we'll take a look on all the new features or changes in the Microsoft Edge that are coming with Redstone 5. We also did a hands-on demo on topmost features of Redstone 5 update few days back. So make sure to check that out as well. So without further ado, let's just dive right in, shall we? So I'm on build 17744, which means that I'm actually not on the latest insider build, but yeah, whatever. The features are more or less the same. So let's first open Microsoft Edge. So I open it. Let me add another tab here. Let me just open bing.com. Okay. See, I have two tab opens and currently I'm on this tab actually. It's active. So you see Microsoft made some changes like you see I you have some what they call it, a fluent design improvements and stuff like that. And also I'm currently on this tab and the tab is kind of like pops outside the screen. So uh, it's called it's called the depth effect, I think. Yeah, the depth effect. So it's kind of nice to have. It's a subtle, so you might not notice it at first. But yeah, as you are watching this video, you should I think you should notice it though. But yeah, it's a very nice improvement. It's a very nice improvement overall. Now speaking of nice improvements, if you click on here, what do you call it, like okay, let's call it a three dot view, one two three. So yeah, three dot view. So if you click on the three dot view, you see I also have like nice little icons here corresponding to their functions. So I have icons of history, I have icons of downloads, extensions, reading list, favorites, and a bunch of other stuff. So it's subtle, and you also might not notice this when you install the public build, like the Redstone 5 officially. When the Redstone 5 build officially rolls out, you might not notice it at first, but yeah, it's there, and it's nice. It's kind of nice to have like icons of the corresponding settings, and so yeah, it's subtle, but yeah, it's there for you to explore, right? Now diving deep. So if I again click on this three dot view, they see I have a show in toolbar option, like it wasn't there in Redstone 4 or the Windows 10 April update, whatever you call it. So what it does is it basically puts basically puts this these settings, like you can like if I want like history to appear on the toolbar, I can do that. I can click on the history. You see I have history setting dedicated in the toolbar option, so I can click on it and I can check the all I mean I can check all the options here. So yeah, it's very nice, and I'm sure you'll find this helpful, and at least it's very helpful for me though. And yeah, it's nice. It's a nice feature. Microsoft also introduced more tools like here. So here you can find add notes, share this page, like open with Internet Explorer if you want to open any page with Internet Explorer. So you can find here, you know, it, let's just not call it a feature. It's not a feature, right? It's more of a change. It's more of a change, and it's organized now, and it's great. It's great. It's a good change. Yeah. And now moving on to the next major change. So if I click on like in here, like the three dot view, and I go into the settings, there you see I have a complete new user experience, user interface. I have like general privacy and security, passwords and autofill, advanced and stuff like that. And none of these are new, except this like passwords and autofill option. So if I click on it, you see I have like a place for passwords, autofill, safeguards. So again, if I go into the manage passwords, they see I have a bunch of websites in which I have logged in with my email ID. So to if I don't want Google to no longer remember my email ID, I can do so just by so if I click on this cross, it's no longer there, right? It's a great feature, and I guess it is exclusive to Microsoft Edge, which is fantastic, isn't it? And oh wait, there is more. Like if I go into this, like you see you have this autofill option. Like, so what it does is basically, so when you are like applying for any exams, or where where you need to put like all your data, like your name, like and your address, your city, your pin code number and stuff like that. So if you enable this option like save form data, it automatically stores all those data. And if you choose to, like, if you don't want to like remember all your data, you can do so. So all you need to do is like you need to set this like off. So yeah, it no longer stores all the data like your name and address and all that good stuff. So and now if you have saved all the data, you can manage them. Like you can add them, add a new form, and you can also add like remove them. So if I click on manage forms, you see I have my little details here. I can add new. I can also export one from file explorer, I guess. Yeah, from file explorer. So yeah, pretty cool, right? And then I have also like safeguards, which I have set on. I can off, on, and back and forth. So I can also manage them. I can also manage my cards here. You see I have this little visa here. And if you don't want to, like if you want to remove it, you can also do this by clicking on like manage. So if you click on it, you'll be redirected to the Microsoft account. From there it'll be easily, it'll do that quite easily. So yeah, it's pretty great, right? Yeah, it is it's a great feature. And now moving on to another cool feature. So if I click here in like if I click on this advanced option, I click on it, you see I have, yeah, I have media autoplay settings here. So I can control if audio and video play automatically on sites. I can allow it, I can limit it, and I can block it, which is very nice indeed. So you can now you can from Redstone 5 you can block media autoplay if you want to. Oh wait, there is more. Like if I scroll a bit, there you see I have Cortana assist me in Microsoft Edge option, which I have kept it on. You can also off, on, and back and forth, whatever you want to do with it. So what it does basically, when you buy stuff online like Amazon or Flipkart, they will see you have a Cortana logo here, which assist, like which finds you coupons and all that good stuff. So when you set this, when you keep it off, it no longer does that. And when you on it, you'll like Cortana will let you know all that good stuff. So yeah, it's a nice little addition. And again, it's not, yeah, I mean, yeah, it is a feature, right? It's not something visual. Things are going on in the background, right? So yes, so that's pretty much it with Microsoft Edge. And yeah, that's it. That's it. So yeah, that's it guys, that's it for this one. And if you like the video, do hit the thumbs up button, and don't forget to subscribe. With that, I would call it a wrap, and I shall see you in the next one. Bye bye and take care.